Okay, next one up, Royal Enfield Gorilla 450. This is a new client, just ridden all the way from Gravesend. Hour and a half it's took him to get here. He's going over there one of our full works packages on this. That will include a two-stage machine polish on all this bodywork. Got a couple of marks on it already. Good old black shows every single mark. Windscreen, all that's going to get polished. Once Junior's got it all clean, degreased, decontaminated, we'll get it in the studio and I will do my bit. Once it's all minted up, we are then going to apply these signature 4K ceramics. So we will airbrush it onto every nook and cranny of this bike. Wheels, calipers, engine, all the bodywork, it'll be applied by hand, making sure to keep this bike properly protected for the years ahead. We'll also put a bit of XCP clear coat on banjo bolts, nuts and bolts, anything that I think needs that extra bit of rust prevention. So this bike will be fully minted and fully protected for the years ahead. This is the best time to get it done before the winter hits. Give us a buzz, 07966 249 963. Let's get cracking. Okay, back on this Enfield Gorilla. Junior's got it all washed, decontaminated and degreased. It's got just over 2,000 miles on it. So what we're going to do is the lower half, I'm actually going to miss the XCP corrosion protection on it. All your shock area is going to get a good old coating, nuts and bolts, center stand. We will put the ceramic on all the bodywork. I'm going to do a two-stage machine polish. I've already noticed a few imperfections in there. In fact, let me get my light out and I'll point them out to you. See, it's got a few marks, a little bit of spider webbing going on. Black shows every single mark. So we will do a two-stage machine polish on all this first, and then we'll apply the ceramic. So all the bodywork's going to get the signature 4K ceramic, and all the lower half is going to get the XCP corrosion protection. Just making sure to keep any corrosion at bay and keep this tank properly protected. Oh look, his knees have been rubbing on there. Should be able to polish all that out. Okay, just did a couple of passes on this paintwork. Look at the gloss already. It makes such a difference. I managed to get all those marks off of there. A little 50-50 action on the front screen. That's before. Scratched up spider webs. And that's after. I'll probably do one more run on that before we apply any ceramics. So yeah, coming along nicely. This Royal Enfield Gorilla 450 has now been fully trotted. Look at the freaking gloss on that. This has had one of our full works packages. It did have a few miles, so we've XCP'd all the lower half, all the shock, all your nuts and bolts that I think need that extra corrosion protection have all been brushed and sprayed. The tank has had a two-stage machine polish. Look at the gloss on that. Managed to remove all those imperfections, all that windscreen, and then we coated it with the signature 4K signature quartz ceramic. It's had two coats on the tank, mud guard, and that little screen there. That is a self-healing ceramic, so it should help with any minor scratches in the future. The gloss is absolutely on point. This bike is now fully protected for the years ahead. That's 5 years worth of protection if you keep it properly maintained. This is the best time to get your bike done when it's fairly new. Give us a buzz. We're open 6 days a week. Satisfaction always guaranteed. 07966 249 963.